It's Wednesday, October 18, 2017. It's about quarter after 10 a.m. We're at a place called Miller's Rest area. It's on Route 95 in a town called Goldfield, Arizona 95. We're heading south, and we're halfway between Vegas and Reno. Now I'm trying to zoom in on this string of telephone poles. We can see with the naked eye, and then we use the binoculars, that this string of telephone poles goes all the way up over the top of that mountain, but I can't get any closer than that with this camera. I'll give you an idea how far that is. Let's back off a little bit. The telephone poles are pretty far apart, and I'll be able to give you an example of that in a second here. Alright, that's the first telephone pole, closest to us on the other side of the fence, if the fence is visible. There's the Mini Winnie, 30 feet, and there's a telephone pole right by the Mini Winnie. Now you take that and you multiply with what we just seen out there. Our battery is about 1/3, 1/4 power left, so I'm going to be pretty quick with this. Let's get zoomed out here. Quick panoramic. We left a place called Hawthorne, Nevada, El Capitan Casino, yesterday morning around 11:30, 12. And there was a sign as we were pulling out of town, next gasoline 100 miles. Let's see if I can zoom in on this. This seems to be a power generating plant. There's a conveyor belt, brings some of the stuff up from the bottom up, and out here to the left of this thing is all those electric capacitors, transformers. Okay, the battery says it's dead. Let's finish with this panoramic quick. And we still have 150 miles to go to our next stop, and our next stop is nothing more than a dirt pile worse than this, because it's 2 miles down unpaved road. And out that way, we noticed last night, that's a town, that's Tonopah, T-O-N-O-P-A-H, Indian. That must be the next gasoline. Now, I don't know if it's 10 miles, but that's Route 95. You can't even see that town now. So, when we leave here, we're gonna find out if that's 10 miles. I went back around the panoramic real quick, because we're losing battery life, and back to the Mini Winnie, and that's the end of it. That's it. Come on. Took a picture there. Let's see if that picture records. Done.